Hello YouTube! Hit play, stay slay. It's me, Prangan Majumdar. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Let's roll. So, today's unboxing is the one I've been so much hyped up for. It is the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. Yes, you heard that right. Here they are. So, by looking at the box, you can tell that I got this from Amazon. But this time, they gave me a pretty hard time, okay? I ordered it about a month ago, but the day it was supposed to be delivered, I received a notification early morning saying that the item could not be delivered. That's why I directly called the Amazon customer service and they did not pick up. I called them 3 more times, still they did not pick up. I contacted them through the chat system they have. And from there, I found out that while they were trying to deliver my item, they damaged it. Yeah, they damaged these expensive glasses, and they were returning it to the warehouse so that I could get a new one. After I tried so much, I could not convince them to replace the item and send me another one, so I had to reorder them and tell them to process the refund. But guess what? When I tried to order it again, I couldn't find the same pair. So you will see which one I got at the Amazon store. I'm unlucky, but I received it yesterday, later in the day. Anyways, let's rip through the Amazon box and see what's the real deal. Let's jump straight into it. Careful. Moment of truth. Okay. Scrap. Oh my god. Here they are. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses. As you know, both these companies collaborated for dropping this, and let's first talk about the box. As you can see, they have really minimal branding up here, a bunch of stuffs on the side, and it looks pretty like a phone case. I mean, a phone box, and a couple of stuffs written at the back, but we can come to this later. Let's rip this open. I can see a peeler right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Listen, call, live stream. Isn't that cool, huh? Slowly, slowly. Wow. Wow. Looks so premium. We have the case for the glasses, first of all. And also I see there is something inside, but we'll come to that later. But first of all, take a look at this. Insane, right? It's so lightweight. Why does it smell so good? Don't cringe on me, okay? I just love the smell. I don't know why. It smells familiar. Wait, why does it smell like Pepsi? Pepsi? That's weird. Okay. Time to open this. 3, 2, 1. I see a light. Okay, so which means these act as a charging case as well, huh? And here are the glasses. We'll keep this aside, right here. There you are, the innovative face. They have some covers on the handles, or the, I don't know what they are called, but oh, I thought they were pretty slim, the handles. Oh, I remember, these are called the arms. Yeah, the arms are pretty thick. Okay, let's give it a try. I look like a nerd, but these are really stylish. Really, I don't see a difference, of course. And what do you think? Does it look good with the cap or without the cap? Doesn't seem heavy at all. It feels like it's not a tech on your face, like on your eyes, but these are like some stylish stuffs. Pretty good, huh? So I see some branding up here. Ray-Ban, Meta, Wayfarer. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Then a little Ray-Ban logo on the glass itself, I mean on the lens itself, and it does not look anything less or anything more than a normal Ray-Ban glass. No one could tell these are normal glasses or not unless they saw the cameras on both these sides. It feels like really smooth while I'm touching these, and I can also see a button right up here, if you can see, right up here, and the cameras. I'd like to wear them for a while. Inside the box, we have something. Yeah, we have the QR code for the MetaView app. Of course, we need to connect our glasses to the app so that we can connect it easily. There's a microfiber cloth. That's what I was looking for, that you need to clear your lens with something, right? So there is a branding on the microfiber cloth, and it also says Meta. I love the black as well. And most probably it's the charging cable, if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty hard to bring out. What? Yeah, I got it. Oh, we have the quick start guide. I don't think I need it. Wow, want your smart glasses with prescription lenses? Scan the QR code for a list of participating locations. Wow, which means if you need lenses of a proper kind, then you can scan this QR code and let them know that you need customized lenses. So definitely, I guess they will work it out for you. There is a small safety warranty thing. And okay, and I have one more thingy written here, but oh, there is something else as well. This should be the charging cable. Just thinking, or what is that? That's it? There ain't any charging cables? There's supposed to be a Type C, right? This one has a Type C up here. That's strange. I never thought about that. Let me look at the box. I don't want to be a fool. Yeah, that's it. That's it. The case itself is the charging dock. So if you can see here, it holds the charging slot right here, like the dock is used for charging. So if you place your glasses inside like that, it just starts charging, and while charging it gives off a yellow light. The interesting fact about these are like they have built-in speakers, a voice assistant, and as I have shown you, they have cameras on these sides, and you can live stream, snap pics, take videos, and a lot more just by saying, "Hey Meta." Cool. That's wild. I love them actually. It really doesn't feel like you are wearing some heavy tech, like those expensive stuffs, huh? You know what I'm talking about. These are such a better option. So that's just everything inside the box. But trust me, this is just the beginning. I'll be testing all the Meta AI features, the camera quality, the speaker performance, the live streaming, and all the wizardry that is going on up here. The review is coming really soon. Stay tuned with the channel. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.